Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Good evening. Do you know the topic for learning today is about what? Apakah kalian tahu pembelajaran hari ini tentang apa? Before I explain more, like usually, don't forget to follow, like and share this video so that you do not miss the lesson which I will give you in the next session. Sebelum kita memulai pembelajaran hari ini, jangan lupa follow, like, dan share video ini ya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan materi pembelajaran yang akan saya berikan di sesi berikutnya. Today, we will learn about number and price. What is number and price and what's the function of that lesson? So, number and price is the lesson for grade 5 elementary school. Jadi, angka dan harga itu adalah materi pembelajaran untuk kelas 5 SD. Before I explain about the price, let's learn about number. So in this lesson, the number is 100 until 1000. 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, and then 1000, 1000. Not only 100, 200, 300, and 100, 200, and 300, but if you want to say 125, you can say like this, 125. But if you want to say 225, 225. So you only put the number and after 100 in the last sentence, in the last part of sentence. Jadi kalian tinggal menaruh angka berikutnya di akhir kalimat dari angka tersebut. Maybe you want to say 725, you put 700 and then 25 is 25. You only say, jadi kalian hanya menggabungkan 725 like 725. I think that's enough about number. We will continue about price. Price adalah harga. The price is so useful if you want to buy something in maybe in the market, in the mall, or also in the canteen and anymore else, dan lain sebagainya. This is a short story. Is for example, when someday if you want to buy a glass of milk in the supermarket. Jadi ini contoh cerita untuk contoh membuat kalimat tentang harga ketika kalian membeli susu di supermarket. When someday if you want to go to in the supermarket and then buy a glass of milk, you say like this, Sir, how much the price of a glass of milk? Tuan, berapa harga segelas susu ini? When the price is 7,000 rupiah, he or she will say the price of milk is 7,000 rupiah. Jadi itu tergantung pada harganya. Kalau harganya itu 6.000 rupiah, jadi dia akan bilang kalau harganya itu 6.000 rupiah. In the other example is like this. Not only in supermarket, but when someday in the break time and you go to the canteen, you want to buy a cake, you ask like this, I want to buy a cake, and how much the price of this cake? Saya ingin membeli sebuah kue ini, berapa harga kue tersebut? When the cake is 5,000 rupiah, he or she will say the price of cake is 5,000 rupiah. And you will think you want to buy that price or not, or you do not buy that cake. Jadi by the price, dari harganya itu kalian bisa mempertimbangkan ingin lanjut beli atau tidak. Depends of your money, how many do you bring money. Jadi itu tergantung pada uangnya juga. Kalau kalian nggak jadi beli, kalian bilang begini, no, maybe I think I don't want to buy this cake. Kayaknya aku nggak jadi beli kue ini, like that. So the price is only say about how much the price, and when the sellers say about the price, you may pay it. Jadi kalian yang membayar. The price may be only 7,000 rupiah, 5,000 rupiah, and then 2,000 rupiah, and more else. Jadi harga itu hanya seperti itu saja. That is easy. Mudah kan pembelajaran hari ini? And do you get the point until now? Apakah kalian udah paham? If you get the point, I will close this lesson today and continue in the next session. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.